Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rick with Technical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day, and in this video I'm going to recap on my trade. I took a total of 3 positions. One I'm still swing trading on that I'm currently down on. Okay, Google, pause. So as you guys can tell, the market closed a little bit early today, if I'm not mistaken, 4 hours before the normal market close. Yeah, no, 3 or 4 hours. I don't know. Yeah, 3 hours, huh? Okay, so but yeah, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. If you guys aren't familiar with who it is that I am, my name is Ricky. I have a little bit over 215,000 subscribers now, so thank you guys again for all the love and the support. In this video, I'm going to recap on my trade, show you guys my profits, what I did good, what I could have done better, and then talk a little bit about my swing trade. I'm currently down a little bit over 1%, so not too bad. I did get a confirmation on a specific stock that we were watching for the stock market growth challenge. As many of you guys know, almost every stock that we talked about yesterday, I mean, I uploaded videos every single day, so almost every single stock that I talked about yesterday went up. It was, and it's not even about calling out, because anyone can call anything out, but it's actually taking action. And I'm going to show you guys very quickly. I'm also going to show you one of my live trades, so if you guys want to stay tuned. The Learn Plan Profit group, that's my private course group, gets to watch me trade live every single day. And a lot of people have always questioned, like, how that is, or how is it that takes place. It's an unlisted private video on YouTube, and then they get to watch me trade live. I'm actually going to show you about like 1 minute of it as I, trade, and it's going to be sped up just because it's a little long, but it's going to be sped up, just me locking in profits. I'm going to show you guys my profits first. So for LABU, this was my main trade for the day, and I was able to lock in $647.88 profit. That was in about 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. And then at market open, I was able to lock in profits for ticker symbol, where's it at? WTI. So WTI had a huge sell-off again. That's a pattern that we've talked about multiple times. So if you look at the 20-day analysis, not even 20-day, that's a little bit too much. The 5-day analysis, you can see that normally if it has a push in the morning, it sells off almost throughout the entire day. And it's a very consistent pattern. So you can see it pushes up, sells off, pushes up, sells off, pushes up, sells off, pushes up, sells off, pushes up, sells off. So usually, it does a really good job recovering during the morning hours and then sells off throughout the entire day. So a very consistent pattern that WTI has to offer. Did I show you guys the profits? $450 profit there. So a little bit over $1,000 profit altogether. Great. I'm going to show you guys the recap video. Is that something that you guys would like to see? Let me know. So what's up? What's up? Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I do apologize. My goodness, guy's a little upset. I think he's mad because he didn't make $1,000 profit. I'm not too sure, but yeah, let's see what happens. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but our YouTube channel has been like really exploding because a video that we were promoted on when it comes down to Jubilee showed a kind of documentary on how I became one of the youngest millionaires here in Arizona. So feel free to check out my YouTube channel if you guys haven't done so already. I share, I upload every single day. You guys can simply learn from what I have on YouTube. Again, I'm not the only platform on YouTube or investor on YouTube to learn from. So be sure to explore, all the different platforms out there, see what it is that you see the most value in, and just do your own due diligence. And that's really just it. So we have a free group. It's called Technical Solutions. We have a little bit over 111,000 members with it. We're one of the fastest growing private trading communities, and obviously people or our competition doesn't necessarily like that. But we just do what we love every single day. And if you like surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, then be sure to click that third link in the description. We'd love to be a part of your success. And we just upload, like daily recap videos and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and go right on over to the actual video of the live stream, and then we can go from there. So I want to see what you guys are saying and then kind of go from there. Does he trade penny stocks? I do not trade penny stocks. No, I don't. I do know that I've been getting a lot of like feedback on that the screen is a little blurry. I do apologize. I'm going to try to fix it. It's just been my live stream today. I don't know if it's my internet connection, but I just want to let you guys know that I am sorry for the poor quality, right? So let me go ahead and put this. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear it very good, but let's see, and we'll find out. So hope that you guys at least. So this is the unlisted live stream that the Learn Plan Profit group, they get to watch me trade live every single day, and this is kind of how it works. So hopefully you guys can hear it. So there you go. Nice little push up. Again, it's sped up. Yeah. So you can see LABU. You can see that it just broke its
Again, approaching resistance, right? The top VWAP indicator.
I'm talking pretty quick.
I love that. There we go. Changes over to a limit order. I'm just going to start selling off now. Actually, I'm going to sell at the market price. Let's see. There we go. Out. $647 profit and 88 cents. And then on WTI, I covered $450 profit. So altogether, $1,097.88 in the first 29 minutes of the market open.
All right, and that is pretty much it. That's pretty much how. Oh, the audio is distorted. I do apologize. So sound quality is bad. Your mic isn't plugged. One thing that I can do is, I'm not too sure if you guys were even able to hear that. Were you guys able to see it? One thing that I'll do is, if you're part of TechBit Solutions, and or if you're part of if you're part of TechBit Solutions, I'll post it in the Discord chat. So I'll post it in the announcement section after this video. I'll go here to TechBit Solutions under the announcement section. I'll post the unlisted video for all those that kind of want to see kind of like how the live streams work and stuff like that. Again, I do apologize if the quality was bad and stuff like that, but I don't know what's going on with the quality of the live stream today. I did get a lot of feedback that it wasn't the best, so I'll have to check up on that and see what's going on. So my YouTube keeps defaulting to your videos at 144. Okay, so it looks like we might have to manually change it to 720p. I do apologize for that. Let me go ahead and, all right. Are we good from there? All right, sounds good. So one thing that I'm pretty excited about is, first of all, I didn't tell you what position. All right, so I said I locked in profits on 2 positions. On my third position for the day, on ticker symbol GUSH, I ended up taking a position and it started to sell off. My average price as of right now is at $40.20. So I am down a total of, when it comes down to percentage, I am down a little bit over 1.2%. So it is, looking at the 180-day analysis, you can see that it's still showing signs of an ascending uptrend pattern. The thing that I found the most attractive about this one as of right now is, first of all, one of 2 things, right? So it pushed up, and this is normally at the sell territory right around $43, as you guys could see. The SMA line normally acts as a support, and if you guys heard yesterday and then during our Sunday stock talk, we talked about why it was something that we saw value in because of where it was at the support, right? It pushed up today very aggressively, great. But the thing that I also noticed was that last time when it pushed up, it sold off. It consolidated right around the EMA line and then continued to push up the following day. So based on that pattern, based on how forward/CL is doing and how it's been showing signs of this bullish pattern, I wanted to give it the benefit of the doubt. My overall position size is not too aggressive. How much it is that I'm down as of right now isn't too aggressive either. And if we look at the 1-day, 1-minute chart, it's showing signs of a potential recovery. Right now, it's holding below the middle VWAP. And the reason that I'm talking about this now that the market's closed is, again, I don't want to influence your trade. I want to make sure that you invest in what you understand and not based on my opinion. And that's something that I think that you'll notice from a lot of people. So you'll notice that some traders on YouTube will tell you, hey, I think you should invest in this. That is not something that I ever do. I don't like encouraging people to invest in anything that they do not understand. I find that to be a huge red flag. And if someone is telling you to invest in something, then it's probably not the best investment. And that's my own 2 cents. My trading style does not mean that you have to see value. If you don't like me, if you don't like my trading style and how is it that I trade, 100% I understand. I know that my trading style is not the most attractive. I am very conservative. I like to lock in profits consistently. And if you guys can see from any of my previous videos, that's something that I like to do from time after time. Am I the most profitable investor on YouTube? Heck no, right? When it comes down to my overall profits, am I very consistent? I would like to say so, right? You guys can see my trades day after day, week after week, month after month, and I show them and I talk about them. And obviously, there's still going to be people that don't like me, and that is 100% okay, and it's something that I have to get used to. But what I do want to encourage you guys to do is, while I'm in the spotlight, right, I want to make sure that you guys understand that while I can reach you guys and communicate with you guys, is to share my best practices and to share my mistakes. And one of my biggest mistakes was that I was following and trying to mimic other people's trades. Even my trades are not something that you want to mimic, again, because it's not something that you specifically see value in. And the reason that I'm talking about this is the first week for the Stock Market Growth Challenge. And the amount of people that messaged me when this was the main stock that I was focusing on for our swing trade challenge, right? I'm aiming for 5% growth a week for my small account, right? The $3,000 account through Fidelity. I have not taken a position just yet on UGAS. And the amount of people that messaged me about UGAS breaking above $62 because that was the price point that I set for myself, I had a huge push up. And then again, it sold right off. But so many people get so hyped up that they think that they missed the opportunity right away or that they need to take action. And they direct message me like, hey, should I buy UGAS? I don't know. Like, I did not work hard for your money. Like, and the reason that I'm saying this is like, I absolutely love the networking abilities that that our group has to offer. But I want you guys to know that there's a difference from asking me where to buy and where to sell and telling me where it is that you plan to buy and sell and why. When you direct message me, I want to know why it is that you see value. That's how I can assist you. Not if you're like, hey, Ricky, I want, should I buy at $62? Like, again, if I were to be telling you, yes, you should buy at $62, no, like that's not guiding you in the right direction. And I'm sorry that I'm not here to spoon feed you, but the reason, again, that I continue to reiterate this is because I feel like a lot of people don't do it. And I know I'm going to bug the crap out of you, and I might be something that, like, someone that might be very annoying when it comes down to that. But again, I'm not going to, if you direct message me that, I'm just not going to respond. If you don't have the time to invest, to understand patterns, and to understand what you're investing in, then I cannot assist you. Again, it is going to take time. Can you grow your account? Yes. Prove it to yourself with simulation trading. How long can you start? Should you do simulation trading until you can prove to yourself that you can grow your account on a consistent basis, right? Grow your account consistently for about 1 to 2 months. And if you feel comfortable and you feel like you understand what it is that you're doing, then great. But again, the reason that I'm repeating this is because it's just like I absolutely love it. Like, I love the idea that you guys like see so much value in my group and what it is that we do. But I cannot have you ask me where you should buy and where you should sell. That's just not something that I do. So I hope that you guys are okay with that. If you guys want to direct message me your plan and why you see value in something, I will 100% give you my own 2 cents. 100%. But if you're telling me where to buy and where to sell, I mean, if you're telling me like, where should I buy, where should I sell, should I cut losses? No, there should be a reason for everything that is that you do. And I'm sorry that I'm being a little bit more strict in that sense, but you know, we're growing at now 2,000 members a day when it comes down to TechBot Solutions, right? We're gaining huge traction, and I want to make sure that I guide every single person that I speak to in the right direction. And I can only do that with what I like, how it is that I see value, right? And I'm sorry, but yeah, so how can you start simulation trading? Google it. There's a bunch of videos that I've uploaded on YouTube. It's called Paper Trading, Simulation Trading. You guys need to become more self-sufficient. Like, I am here to assist you, but even if you're part of like my private course group, right? I don't even care if you're part of my private course group. That's the whole purpose of us having the course. It provides structure, and you need to become a self-sufficient trader. We're not here to spoon feed anyone. And I just hope that you guys understand that. If you want more structure and you want us to assist you, then great. You know, the course is great for that, and I'm here to, I work a little bit closer with those individuals. But it does not mean that just because you paid to be in our course, that I'm going to then tell you what to buy and what to sell. I treat both members exactly the same. I just spend a little bit more time, obviously, with the Learn Plan Profit group. But I treat every single member just the same. And I hope that that is something that you guys are okay with. So I really do appreciate your guys' time and support. I'm super excited. I hope that you guys, market's not going to be open obviously tomorrow. I hope you guys have a beautiful 4th of July. We're going to be announcing the winner for the 4th of July giveaway. We're giving away $1,000 for all those that enroll in the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library. We're going to be announcing the winner tomorrow night. There is no time that I have set up yet. I will be announcing that tomorrow, and I'll be going live on YouTube. Again, it's the first link down below if you guys want to check that out. Please don't sign up just to potentially win the $1,000. If you want to, first watch my videos. If you see value in me and the way that I trade, and you can, verify my success rate and stuff like that, then great. I would love to be a part of your success as long as you see value in me. We're offering the biggest discount. It's still $75 off as of right now. Tomorrow it's going to be $50 off. So yeah, I'm going to be working with Justin, and all we're doing is we're going to be releasing one of our applications. I think by right, we're in contact with iTunes. Okay, so I think by next week it should be up. So for all those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, you will be a potential member that can be part of the beta trials. Please do not message me if you can be part of it. We're going to be hand selecting these individuals. The last thing that I wanted to cover is that, I'm really excited for the stock market growth challenge, but I really need you guys to focus on quality trades. We still have a lot of people over trading, and I have not taken one position in my small account. And it's because I still want to be extremely patient. I can still get into you guys. A lot of you guys got in because it was shooting up, got in almost at $63. I'm waiting for it to pull back. I'm waiting for it to consolidate, catch, and then pick back up. And then that's when I'll buy. So again, let's be patient, let's stay consistent, and let's make sure that we understand what we're investing in. It's going to take time, but as a team, we can definitely do it. So I really appreciate your guys' support. Let me know if there's anything it is that I can do, and I would love to be a part of your success. If you guys can give the video a thumbs up, we'd greatly appreciate it. And again, please be safe tomorrow, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday at Market Open. So thank you guys again for your time. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.